मैं मोनिका बंसल चक्रा मेडिटेशन में आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। सिट इन अ रिलैक्स्ड पोस्चर एंड फोकस ऑन योर ब्रेथ। अपनी सांसों पर ध्यान लेकर जाएं। इनहेल पॉजिटिविटी with every breath you take in and breathe out negativity with every breath you leave. Make your body completely relaxed. Go deeper into relaxation. I will be counting from 5 to 1, and with each count you will go deeper. 5. Deep into relaxation. 4. Going still deeper. 3. Deeper and deeper in relaxation. 2. Still going deep. 1. Very, very deep inside. Now bring your consciousness to your root chakra, also known as मूलाधार चक्रा। अपनी चेतना को आपके मूलाधार चक्रा पर लेकर जाएं। This is at the base of your spine. This chakra is in form of a red ball. Observe this chakra, see it from all around. If you see any grey spots, you can clean them. जो भी ग्रे स्पॉट्स आपको दिखते हैं, उनको अच्छे से साफ करें। This chakra is the container of your wealth. Communicate with this chakra. अपने रूट चक्रा के साथ बात करें। You will get your answers in form of thoughts and feelings. This chakra also has all your fears. Remember, your fears are not real. Let go them. अब इस चक्रा को इसके बीज मंत्र लम से एनर्जाइज करेंगे। मैं 3 बार ये मंत्र का उच्चारण करूंगी। आप आपके मन में रिपीट कर सकते हैं। लम, 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 Now your Mooladhara chakra is energized, charged and activated. All the issues related to Mooladhara are completely healed. Express your gratitude towards your Mooladhara chakra. और अब इसके साथ हम दूसरे चक्रा की तरफ जाएंगे, स्वादिष्टान चक्रा। आपकी चेतना को आपके स्वादिष्टान चक्रा पर लेकर जाएं। ये नाभि के 2 इंच नीचे होता है। This is 2 inches below the navel. This you will see in form of an orange ball. It is responsible for all the water in your body, and its element is also water. इस ऑरेंज बॉल को चारों तरफ से देखिए। अगर आपको कोई ग्रे स्पॉट्स दिखते हैं तो उन्हें अच्छे से साफ कर दीजिए। और अपने इस चक्रा से बात कीजिए। यहाँ रहते हैं आपके सारे इमोशंस। जब आप बात करेंगे तो कुछ इमोशंस सरफेस होंगे, मतलब कि बॉडी रेडी है इन इमोशंस को रिलीज करने के लिए। Let go these emotions. अब इस चक्रा को इसके बीज मंत्र से एनर्जाइज करेंगे, जो है वम। मैं 3 बार ये मंत्र का उच्चारण करूंगी, आप आपके मन में दोहरा सकते हैं। वम। 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 Your Swadhisthana is now energized, charged, and activated. You are now in control of your emotions. All the issues related to Swadhisthana are completely healed. Now, with feeling of gratitude for your Swadhisthana, for giving you insights and wisdom and messages for life, Now let's move on to the third chakra, solar plexus or Manipura. This is 2 inches above navel. नाभि के 2 इंच ऊपर है. This you will see in form of a yellow ball, as its element is fire. It is important to get used to the sacred inner fire. Move around this chakra and cleanse it wherever required. This chakra is responsible for all the power in your life. We will energize it with its speech mantra Ram. मैं 3 बार इस मंत्र का उच्चारण करूंगी. आप आपके मन में इसका उच्चारण कर सकते हैं. राम. 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 Now your Manipura is charged and energized. You are now completely free from any problems related to Manipura. You have now good and healthy self-esteem and self-confidence. And the fire within you provides you energy to reach your ultimate goals and reach your purpose of life. Now say thanks to your Manipura for everything it has done for you and request it to keep on giving you energy and wisdom. Now let's move on to the fourth chakra. Bring your attention to the center of the chest and visualize the heart chakra or the Anahat chakra. Visualize it in form of a green bright ball. बहुत बारीकी से इसके चारों तरफ घूमकर इसे चारों तरफ से देखिए। हाउ डू यू फील? कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? As this chakra is the center of love, can you feel the love radiating from the center of love? Feel the unconditional love. अब आप इससे बात कर सकते हैं और आपको आपके जवाब थॉट्स और फीलिंग्स में मिलेंगे। इसमें जहाँ भी आपको लगे तो उसे साफ कर सकते हैं। This energy controls all our sense organs. We will now energize it with its speech mantra Yam. Yum. 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 Now your Anahat chakra is fully energized and activated. Bow to this energy in gratitude for making you know who you are. And let's move on to the fifth chakra. Fifth chakra, the Vishuddhi chakra or the throat chakra. Bring your attention to the center of your throat. Now visualize your Vishuddhi chakra in form of a blue ball. Observe it from all sides. This is your communication and expression expression center and point of creativity. See how you feel and communicate with it. If you want, you can cleanse any dark spots if you see in it. We will now energize it with its speech mantra Hum. मैं 3 बार इस मंत्र का उच्चारण करूंगी। आप आपके मन में इसी मंत्र का उच्चारण कीजिए। हम 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 Your Vishuddhi is now energized, activated and charged and free from all issues. Thank your Vishuddhi for helping in all communications and expression and being point of creativity. And let's move on to the third eye chakra or Agya chakra. अपने ध्यान को अपने दोनों आईब्रोज के बीच में लेकर जाइए। Visualize your Agya chakra in form of a bright indigo light. इसे चारों ओर से देखिए और परखिए। उसके अराउंड घूम कर देखिए। आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं अपने विजडम पॉइंट को देखकर? आप फील करेंगे कि ये आपसे बात कर रहा है। You will get lot of wisdom and insights, not only from this lifetime, but also from past lifetimes. इसे भी जहाँ जहाँ आप चाहें उसे साफ कर लीजिए। ये वो जगह है जहाँ आपकी सारी विजडम स्टोर्ड है। अपने आज्ञा चक्र को एनर्जाइज करेंगे इसके बीज मंत्र ओम के साथ। मैं 3 बार इस मंत्र का उच्चारण करूंगी। आप अपने मन में इसे रिपीट कर सकते हैं। ओम। ओम। Om. Your Agya Chakra is now activated, charged, and energized. Thank your Agya Chakra for all the insights and wisdom. And let's now concentrate on the crown chakra or Sahasrara chakra. Bring your consciousness just above your head, at the crown of the head. यहाँ सहस्त्रार चक्र को एक पर्पल बॉल के रूप में विजुअलाइज करें। This chakra deals with cosmic energy. Here, after releasing all earthly attachments, you get connected with cosmic energy. Surrender yourself and let the cosmic energies flow. अपने आप को महसूस कीजिए। Feel the oneness with the whole universe or the whole creation. You are no more what you think you are. You are now gone beyond your human perceptions, beyond your human consciousness, into universal consciousness, universal wisdom, and universal love. This is point of enlightenment, where you become one with the universe. Aham Brahmasmi. This togetherness is slowly becoming a light that pervades the whole universe and fills every cell of yours. And you become light yourself. This light that is you, will guide you and protect you and show you the path. Experience the feeling of joy, the celebration of truly attaining yourself. Feeling of I am that, Soham. Enjoy this feeling. Now, with the feeling of gratitude to the universe for giving you the opportunity to be with your chakras and allow you to cleanse, energize, and heal your chakras. You will be feeling the immortal joy, divine love, and happiness. With all these feelings, you will come back. Observe the temperature around you. Observe the taste in your mouth. Whenever you are ready, gently move your hand, gently move your feet, and gently open your eyes. Welcome back.